Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside the Amazon Music app with audio already playing so changes are audible. First, make sure the app is updated. This guarantees the equalizer option appears. Once playing, go to the Now Playing screen and look for the equalizer icon or open Settings and select Equalizer. You do this now because immediate feedback helps you hear adjustments. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the mobile app and not a web browser. Once you reach the equalizer screen, pick a preset to hear a bass line. Bass boost, vocal, or custom are good starting points. Then switch to manual/custom mode to fine-tune the 5-10 frequency bands. You move sliders to emphasize bass, mids, or treble. Make small changes, around plus or minus 3 to 6 dB, and a /B test by toggling between preset and your settings, so you can hear what each adjustment actually does to the mix. To finish, save your custom preset with a clear name so you can recall it quickly. Then test across different songs and at several volumes to ensure it works broadly. Some tracks expose bass or harshness more than others. If the EQ seems ineffective, make sure you're not using a system-level audio enhancement that overrides app EQ. If the equalizer option is missing, reinstall the app or check device sound settings. Doing that usually restores the feature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.